Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a simple automatic gate system using a servo motor and a couple of LEDs. It's super easy, so let's jump right in. Here's how it works. We've got a servo motor that will open and close the gate. When the gate opens, the green LED lights up, and when it closes, the red LED turns on. Simple, right? The servo rotates to 90 degrees when the gate opens. The green LED will stay on for 5 seconds to show that the gate is open. After 5 seconds, the servo rotates back to 0 degrees, which closes the gate. At the same time, the green LED turns off and the red LED lights up to indicate the gate is now closed. All of this is controlled by our Arduino code. It tells the servo to rotate to the right angle and controls the LEDs based on whether the gate is open or closed. This means the system can handle everything automatically. That's it. With just a few lines of code, we've got a functioning automatic gate with visual indicators. If you want to try this project yourself, check the description for the code and components. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome DIY projects, and I'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe if you found this useful. Catch you next time!